Today, I'll be showing you how to deactivate your Instagram account. So this is for when you want to take a break from Instagram for a couple of days, weeks, or even months. You can actually deactivate your account temporarily and your Instagram account will disappear from Instagram, okay, for as long as you want. And you can get back anytime. So to deactivate your Instagram account, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. That takes you to your profile. And then tap on the three lines in the top right corner, and that opens settings and activity. And then you want to go ahead and tap on accounts center. Now under account center, tap on personal details. And then under personal details, tap on account ownership and control. And then you should see the option to either do a memorialization or deactivate or deletion. So tap on deactivate or deletion. Choose your Instagram account if you have more than one account there. And then it's going to say deactivating or deleting your Instagram account. So you choose whether it's a deactivate or a permanent delete. So since you want to deactivate, tap on that. So it says this is deactivating your account is temporary, and it means that your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through account center or by logging in back to your Instagram account. So just tap on continue. Put in your Instagram password. Then hit continue. And then it's going to tell you, or it's going to ask you why you want to deactivate your Instagram account. You can pick one of these reasons or just select something else if you don't have a reason that coincides with this. So tap on continue and then confirm by tapping on deactivate account. So this is temporary. So I'll tap on that. And there you go. So I've successfully deactivated that Instagram account. Now I had two Instagram accounts on this app, and so it just defaulted to the other one. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and we'll talk to you there or in the next one. Good luck.